In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived cards and lists in Trello. If you've ever cleaned up a crowded board and later needed to bring something back, this is exactly what you're looking for. Archiving in Trello hides cards and lists from the main board without deleting them, so you can keep things tidy while still preserving the details, comments, and attachments for future reference. Start on the board where the item originally lived. At the top right of your board, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is your board options menu. Click those 3 dots to open the menu panel. If your window is narrow or the interface looks a little different, this menu might appear under a More or Show Menu area, but you're aiming for the same options panel in the top right corner of the board. Inside that menu, click Archived Items. This opens a dedicated view for everything you've archived on this board. You'll notice that it organizes content by type, so you can focus on either cards or lists. It's helpful to remember that archiving is board specific. You'll only see items that were archived from the board you're currently on. From here, you can browse your archived content, search by title or keyword to find a specific card, and open an item to review its details. The card view retains all the context you had before archiving: due dates, checklists, comments, and attachments, so you can make a confident decision about whether to bring it back. If you see what you need, you'll find options to return a card or list to the board. This is a quick way to restore something that was filed away during a cleanup. You may also see an option to permanently delete certain items from this archive view. Use that with care. Deleting removes the item for good, while archiving is safe and reversible. If you're unsure, keep it archived until you're completely confident you won't need it again. If you don't find what you're looking for, double check you're on the right board, since archives don't span across boards. Also, some workspace or board permissions can affect what you see. If you can't access the archive on a shared board, a board admin may need to adjust your access. That's all there is to it. Open the 3-dot menu in the top right, then choose Archived Items. With those 2 actions, you have a simple, reliable way to review past work, restore what you need, and keep your boards clear and focused. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.